Israel's war crimes. Dhaka Meteorological Office says a low-pressure area has formed over West Central Bay and adjoining Northwest Bay of North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coast persist over the same area at 6 a.m. today. Under its influence, steep pressure gradient lies over North Bay and gustier squally weather may affect the maritime ports, the North Bay and adjoining coastal areas of Bangladesh. Maritime ports of Chattogram, Cox's Bazar, Mongla and Paira have been advised to west local cautionary signal number 3. I repeat, signal number 3. All fishing boats and trawlers over North Bay and Deep Sea have been advised to come close to the coast and proceed with caution. Meanwhile, Valley till 1 tonight says there are chances of rain or thunder shower with temporary south or southeasterly gusty or squally wind at a speed of 45 to 60 kilometers per hour over the regions of Faridpur, Madaripur, Joshore, Kushtia, Khulna, Borishal, Patuakhali, Noakhali, Kumilla, Chattogram and Cox's Bazar. River ports in these areas at west cautionary signal number 1. And that's the end of the news.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম বাংলাদেশ বেতার বাণিজ্যিক সংবাদ পড়ছে সালমা বেগম হজ ও ওমরা নেওয়া হবে বলে হুঁশিয়ারি দেন ধর্ম মন্ত্রণালয়ের উপদেষ্টা ডক্টর আফম খালিল হোসেন আজ সকালে রাজধানীর আগারগাঁওয়ে